What's going on, everybody? Well, I just wanted to make a quick intro. Whoops. Tomorrow is the day we're going to OH Ivie to chase some bass. The group of about 12 of us going. Here's my setup of a kayak, ice chest, gear, my tent. First time using the rooftop tents, but I got everything here. Got my water bottles because we're going to be camping out in a spot that has no showers, so that's my shower. Another ice chest, tables. It's going to be a pretty exciting weekend. Hopefully we can land some double-digit bass. I'm going to use this battery with the converter to charge my electronics. Camping gears in here. Another ice chest here. And my truck is loaded with stuff. But got a little portable heater. See how we do. All right, talk to y'all soon. Peace. Good morning, everybody. It's about 2 in the morning. Came over here to get some ice. Got about 5 bags of ice. Loaded one up in here. This ice chest, and then the ice chest for the food, the white one. I put about 5 bags there. Now I'm gonna go off to go meet the guys over there at the Valero. All right, peace. What's going on? Well, we're out here at the Valero. We got Mr. Hooked R&R over here. Mr. Alfred, Mr. Abu Garcia, Mr. David Sanchez. And Jesus is over there somewhere recording also. there's Jesus right there. What's up? What's up? So kayak's loaded up. Got David set up there. Got a 3-hour drive. It's windy as heck right now, but it's gonna be a good weekend. Hopefully we can get on some big ones. Wow. Peace. I think Joel's over there. Yeah. But this is where we get the envelope. Here's Mr. Robert Hooked R&R.
What is up?
We made it to our destination. I think this is where we get the vehicle things.
Yes. Check it out.
I think that's Joe over there.
Yeah, that's him over there.
Okay.
You know what I'm just happy about?
Getting here.
Signal here, dude. There's signal here? Oh my God, bro. I was tripping all day. My wife's gonna be mad.
Still pretty windy out here.
Look at that roof rock. Ya lo se ve allá como rockboard.
What's up? We're here eating some grub, setting up camp. First time using the rooftop tent. Getting that set up. We're all just chowing down before we get on the water. What's up, Joe?
What up, what up?
We got the cook, Mr. Hooked R&R. He just doesn't make lures, he also cooks breakfast.
Breakfast and everything. Give me a name, I'll write your name.
Yeah.
The air catching the net, right?
Waiting for the wind to die down just a little bit more and set up some more stuff. Mr. Redfish 128, Jonathan.
Cheese on there.
There you go.
There's cheese in there.
So getting
Want a
the
quesadilla?
reception set up.
I'll put a tip right here, guys. Instead of a tip jar, it's gonna be a lure jar.
Alrighty, peace. Oh, the wind's died down a little bit, so we're gonna go ahead and get on the water. See if we can find some fish. Good morning, everybody. It's Saturday morning out here at OH Ivie. Lake behind me. Kayak's going. Campsite's way up there. Guys are just waking up, getting up. See how we do today. Yesterday I didn't catch anything but tent stumps. But today's a different day. See how it goes. Peace. Welcome back to the channel. Rude Dog Yak Fishing. Out here at Lake OH Ivie in search of some monster bass. As you well know, I'm not really a bass fisherman, but I like to venture into different things. A lot of boats today. Yesterday there was hardly any boats because it was Friday. But today it's Saturday and it's a lot of boats. There might be a boat tournament too. Throwing the chatterbait. Probably tie on a spinnerbait in a little while. See what I can do today. My buddy Robert, Mr. Hooked R&R. Follow him on YouTube. He caught a 5.75 or somewhere around there yesterday. His buddy Sean caught like a 4-pounder, 19 3/4 or something like that. They were throwing big old swim baits. What's going on, everybody? It's Saturday, day 2 of Lake OH Ivie. And well, I didn't catch anything. But it's fun being on the water, trying new things, camping out with good friends. That's where our kayaks are. The launch is way over there. A little bit of a walk. This is the body good. Ah. Sorry about that. I'll edit that out. Mr. James caught 2 bass today. Sean caught another one today. Alfred, he caught one bank fishing on cut bait, a bass. I'm gonna get the pictures from them guys and I'll post them on this video. I'm gonna go back out there a little bit later. We're fixing to grill up some fajitas, eat, relax a little bit, and then hit the water for a little bit. And then do it again in the morning for a little while. A couple of hours. Say a couple, it's about 3 or 4. A little huffing and puffing on this walk. Here's our camp again. Sorry for the bouncing of it. Rob caught a 5-pounder yesterday and nothing today. It's a tough lake, especially when you don't know it.
Hopefully.
But here's what's on the grill. Yeah. We're just relaxing till a little bit later. Alfred catching one off the bank.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Joe, Sean.
Special
You caught 3 total, right, Sean, so far?
2. Yeah.
2 yesterday, 1 today, didn't you?
Nah, 1 and 1.
Oh, 1 and 1?
Yeah.
You
got
caught
3.
2.
I got
White bass.
2 bass today, 1 white,
Yeah.
3 whites yesterday, no bass yesterday.
Still a good trip.
I'm on 6 fish. Yeah, I got 6 fish to my hand.
Heck yeah. Good job,
Personal
brother.
best white bass, 14 inches.
Heck yeah. Good job.
Putting that down in the books.
Well, I added to the 10 stumps from yesterday. I got another 4 stumps. Broke off. Lost some chatterbaits. Lost some lures. Yeah.
Yeah, if you want to count lures, I got more than 6.
But anyway, peace. Well, what's up, everybody? Round 2 for Saturday. Mr. Hooked R&R right here. He's trying to beat his personal best that he caught yesterday. I'm just trying to catch a fish. See what we can do this evening. See what we can find. I'm trying to show you the wobble wobber, but I keep getting my fingers caught. This is the one that, well, you probably can't see it with the sun. Fire Tiger, Hooked R&R, painted it. We're gonna give it a shot. Today is day 3 of OH Ivie, and I'm still at 0. Trying the frog this morning. It's been a tough bite. Tough bite. Yeah, I didn't get skunked after all. Got me one. Small little guy. Booyah. Small little guy. Booyah.